You are warm welcome in the bakery and confectionery class. Today we are going to make biscuits, basically salty cookies we are making today. This will be flavored with the ajwain or maybe with the cumin seed, right? So today we are using a cumin seed salty biscuits. So how we are going to make it? First we required a certain ingredients for our practical. So this is basically a refined flour, 140 gram of refined flour. Here it is. This is a soft butter basically. You need to keep outside this butter overnight and this will become little soft and then mash it. So this is about 100 gram of butter, right? If it is salted one, then it is better for this kind of cookie. And then this is sugar. This is basically a crushed sugar or castor sugar will be much better. So this will be 40 gram. And then the egg is there. Egg yolk and egg white mix. It is about 20 gram, right? Or half of the egg, you can say. And then this is salt, a pinch of salt, 2 gram of cumin seed, or either you can take ajwain, right? Little bit of baking powder will be required. So with this whole ingredient we are going to make the salty ajwain cookies or salty cumin seed cookies together. So now what we are going to do is, this is the butter, we have melted butter and we will sprinkle the sugar in it, right? And then we will mix it. While mixing, this process is called mixing of butter as well as sugar in it. This is called creaming. And this will make whole mixture little white, fluffy, light and airy, right? So till the mixture is become light, fluffy, airy, we need to whisk it continuously. So here we need to use the spatula. The spatula will be much better for mixing this ingredient. Again, little bit of sugar and then again whisking it. If you somehow feel that this butter and sugar is little hard to mix it, then keep your bowl a little bit for a moment in the warm water double boiler and then you will feel the change. This will smoothly mix together. You can see over here, this is how you need to do that continuously. You need to dissolve the sugar as well. We have mixed the whole sugar. Now our sugar is finished. And as you can see the color of this mixture, it's light, fluffy. And now we are going to add our egg mixture. It has vanilla essence also over here. We have mixed it with the egg and now we will add egg in our mixture and mix it. As you can see, our mixture becomes more fluffy by the addition of this egg. This is the way you need to do. This is about 20 gram of egg or half of the egg and few drops of vanilla essence here. This is called creaming method. Now our whole egg is also mixed over here. Now I will add little bit of baking powder, that's it, and then I will sieve it. In our refined flour. And mix it. We need to mix the refined flour very slowly because we don't want to create a gluten in it. We want our cookies to be more crispy, so we need to just softly blend the flour with the creaming mixer. This one, slowly we need to mix it. A cookies mixture should always be little crumbly.
Yeah. Flour we have.
Lightly we need to mix it. We need this crumble. Now we will add a little. The cumin seed we are adding over here. This is basically a dough. Now it is prepared. This is the crumble dough that we have prepared. Now we will roll it. So this is our cookies dough. We have made it and then we have put it in the fridge. This is about in the fridge for about 15 minutes just to chill down the butter, and now it will be easy to roll us in the roll this mixture. Now we are sprinkling a little bit of flour over here. Then we will just going to roll our cookie mixture over here. If our mixture is well chilled enough, it will be very easy to roll it down. It will not stick. Now we are going to use the butter paper either or the brown paper. Just keep it over here. Roll this one, the cookies mixture dough. And now we will put it in the freezer for just about another 15 minutes. Let this become a little bit hard so that we can cut it down into slices and then bake it. So this is our cookie dough that we have kept in the fridge. It's almost for about half an hour. It becomes a little hard so that we can cut it down and make the cookies out of it. You can also roll it out into the sheet, and then with the cookie cutter you can cut down the mixture. So this is all on your choice. Either you roll it and then cut it, or you just spread it like a sheet, and then we can cut it with the cookie cutter. So it totally depends on you. Now this is how we are going to place it in our baking tray with some equal distance. So this is our salty cumin seed biscuits, which are all the way ready to go to the oven for baking at 150 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. So let's bake it. So here we go. We are baking our salty cookies over here, and this will take another 15 to 20 minutes. So here is our cookies now baked. As you can see over here, the hot cookies, the salty cookies, we have baked it. And as you can see over here, the crispiness. So this is how we are going to make, how we have made this salty cookies. Thank you so very much.